Penny stock power playbook bond written by author Jason Bond. Preface. Let's face it, nearly everyone has tried at one point or another to make a fortune in the stock market. What they probably didn't know when they first started was that it's hard. If you don't have the right mentoring or get a good base down, if you think book is going to teach you everything about the market, you are wrong. I'm going to teach you just about a portion of the entire stock market universe, which is what I think has the highest risk reward ratios, ratios, risk reward ratios, and they're not too hard to run. Now, again, don't think that once you finish this book that you will be able to make a fortune overnight. You will need to have grit and keep at it until you've figured it out. That means practicing, doing your homework, and continue to learn about markets. I've taken a long road to become a quite successful stock trader. I went from being in a $250,000 worth of debt and working as a school teacher. I've always had a love for teaching, and I want to show you one of the keys that helped me get out of my debt, as well as become a multi-million-dollar trader. I know what you are thinking. Penny stocks are dangerous and could be frauds. That might be true to an extent, but if you focus on penny stocks traded on New York stock market and Nasdaq, you minimize some of that risk. I'm going to teach you how to look for the best penny stocks and potentially profit from penny stocks trades. I'd say the Pareto principle helped me make millions in the stock market. Now, the Pareto principle, or the 80-20 rule, states that for a plethora of events, approximately 80% of the effects stems from 20% of the causes. trading terms, I'd loosely say a bulk of my profits have come from some penny stocks that exploded. Again, I'm going to teach you some tools and techniques that are battle tested that could get you started with penny stock trading. First, you will need to learn these techniques, study them, then maybe paper trade and practice for a bit before you put your money when your mouth is. Chapter 1: Basic of Penny Stocks. You probably heard one person tell you penny stocks are bad and you could lose your entire life savings in them. Well, it's not penny stocks that are bad, that's just poor risk management. In my opinion, I think penny stocks are great. Let me tell you why. I truly believe they offer best risk-reward ratio of any asset class around. If you get gift, do your due diligence diligence and continue learning about the game. I think you could potentially double your account size within a year. Now, penny stocks are as risky as you might think. The SEC, the SEC defines a penny stocks as any stocks that's trading below $5. That's right. It just means that stock is cheap and not necessarily shady. For example, at one point, Monster Beverage was a penny stock. Monster Bev, Monster Beverage Company, and now it's trading at over $5 per share. 2017. Like all stocks, your downside is too zero. A stock's price can't fall below that. So in a way, the downside risk in penny stocks is pretty low, and with the right risk management, you could limit your losses and not lose your short. For example, if you are trading a penny stock, the moves won't be as large to the downside as a higher dollar stock. If you were trading shares of, say, Apple Inc., you could lose a bulk of your capital pretty quickly. Uh, Now, since there aren't as many traders look at penny stocks, this is where your edge comes in. When you are in the stock market, you need an edge. This is what gives you somewhat of an advantage of the other traders. Don't be afraid of penny stocks, and if anyone ever told you penny stocks and bad and you shouldn't trade them, get that out of your head now. Some of the most successful companies in their res- respective industries were penny stocks at one point or another. Take Monster Beverage. Take Monster Beverage again, for example, back in 2004, this stock was traded under a dollar after adjusting for stock splits and other corporate actions. Monster Beverage is a legit company and it's still around today. If you invested that for just a few months, that invest would have doubled then. You could pretty much see how much better you would done if you bought it and held for the long term. Monster Beverage chart, stock stock price chart, 2009 to now, 2018. However, we are focused on swing trade here. Las Vegas Sands is another example. Uh, Today is all penny stock power playbook, a free ebook. Uh, the author is Jason Bond. I read this ebook from from page one to page six. Thank you.